Single-use plastic is everywhere, even in our daily routines. Personal care products are used once and then thrown away, polluting our planet. Our mission is to make the most sustainable, beautiful, refillable roll-on deodorant on earth, one that lasts you a lifetime. Our all-natural deodorant with a new, stronger formula is filled only with nature's finest ingredients that protects your body with care so you can feel good inside and out. And our long-awaited antiperspirant will keep you dry even through your hardest training sessions. Don't sweat it, we've got you covered. From busy mornings to lifelong routines, our deodorant is a perfect match for everyone. 3 beautifully balanced scents with aromas engineered to awaken your senses, lift your mood, and set you up for whatever the day has in store. Lifelong Vibes is a colourful, customisable deo that feels great on your skin. Made from 100% recycled ocean-bound plastic, it's designed to be used again and again. Available in a range of timeless colours, perfect for men, women and teenagers. A removable washable silicone sleeve ensures hygiene and longevity, keeping the natural formula fresh and the case beautifully protected. Paired with customisable colour balls for hundreds of unique combinations. Design your deo just as you want it. Our refills are completely plastic free, packaged in a certified compostable pouch. You can say goodbye to ugly single-use plastic. This is guilt-free personal care, leaving you and the planet feeling fresh and protected. It's easy to use. Simply mix our powdered deodorant with water at home and shake. We've had thousands of happy customers. To reorder, scan the QR code, choose your deodorant, and your refill is on its way, landing through your letterbox. As a backer, you'll get free worldwide shipping on refills for life. In 2023, we launched the most successful deodorant campaign ever, putting luxury into deodorizing. Now it's time to add some fun to the mundane world of deodorants. For every applicator you buy, our partners at 7 Clean Seas remove 1 kilogram of plastic from the ocean. Our last campaign removed more than 3,960 kilograms of plastic, thanks to your support. As with the circle of life comes the circle of responsibility and sustainability. We want to make our luxury deodorant available and affordable for everyone, no matter who you are or where you live. Your daily choices really do make a difference both to you, your family and friends, and of course, the planet. So together, let's protect our bodies, clear our minds, and clean the ocean, all through simple, thoughtful daily choices. This is Lifelong.